Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We are doing a bathroom renovation, and as you do bathroom renovations, you're gonna do some upgrades. And I decided to do an upgrade, which is an essential upgrade in a bathroom or any bathroom, especially if you have a toilet in there and a shower in there, you got steam and other things going on. So, what are we upgrading today? The fan. Okay, as you can see, I already lined up the area I need to cut out. That's the old fan. Don't know what the CFM is on that fan, but who cares? That's out. And we're gonna actually use this giant thing. Okay, now what is this? This is a fan from our friends at AKICON. Okay, they were kind enough to send me this fan to basically put in my new bathroom, and this fan is cool. This fan has 50, 80, or 100 CFM capability. It does come with the light fixture, which is super cool, and it comes with a thermostat style switch, which I need to show you what it looks like. This is the thermostat style switch, which will be replacing this switch right here, and which, as I had to run an extra three-way wire, and I will be using the current wire because it has a lot of wires. It has a lot of functionality. It has light, dim. It has humidity control. It's insane. There's so much stuff going on in this little switch. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut out that piece. I'm gonna take out the old fan, disconnect everything, and then hook this guy up and go from there. And these are also braces that come with the kit for mounting over the drywall. So basically it doesn't sag if you don't have any studs that you're gonna be connected to. Well, actually this connects to the stud right there. And then, yeah. So let's hook this up. Let's connect the wires and we'll go from there, right? Let's see how this is gonna turn out. So let's do it. Okay guys, so the hole is made. Now we're gonna have to connect the wiring. So you can see there's 3 sets of wire here, okay? And there's also three white wires. These are the neutral wires. So we're gonna connect these together. And you have the blue wire, which is the light one. The orange wire is night light, and the black one is the fan. And the green one obviously is ground. So, and if this is the switch, this is what the switch looks like this. Now, if you see, all the wires in the back are red, but they are labeled right here. So night light, this is out to lighting LED, then this is fan. So night light, regular light, and fan right here. And this is the power that goes in from this from the wall. This is just the regular live wire, and this is the neutral wire, and obviously this is the green wire. So we're gonna connect the fan first, and I had a minor issue with the fan. Basically, this comes with a 4-inch port, and the previous one that I have is a 2-inch. So I need a converter from 4 to 2, which I have to go into the attic tomorrow anyways. So I'm gonna put the converter. I'm not gonna hook up the hose to it right now. I'm gonna do it from the attic side because I have to go up there anyway. So I'm gonna get the converter from 4-inch to 2-inch. That way I could connect the exhaust hose to this. But meanwhile, I will install this like so. It's fairly easy, it just slides in. You know, when you say it's easy, it's not really easy. Sometimes it can mess with you, but that's how it slides in. And this comes in 2 pieces. So you got the oval connector, and this actually fits in like so. It fits in pretty snug so it doesn't come out. And this is where the wiring will be in. So once we're done with the wiring, let me actually take this out. Once we're done with the wiring, everything's gonna get tucked in here, and we're gonna basically wrap it up in there. And there's a little screw there. We're gonna open up that screw. We're gonna do all the wiring, and we're going to shove everything inside and let it stay there because we don't want it to move around when we are trying to install this. So let's hook up the wires, let's unscrew this, and let's go from there. All right, guys, so this is the attic view. I have the line hooked up. This is the exhaust pipe, and I put a little junction box here, so all the wires are in there tight, nothing's moving, everything's there. And I'm gonna put a cap over it, and that's it. This is it. This is the final step, and now we're gonna go hook up the switch and then test it out. Okay, so now we're gonna do the wiring. I already connected the neutral line there. I don't need these two wires here, so I'm gonna cut these out. We just need the black and the red. What we need power to go into here. Okay, so this wire right here, the one on the bottom, this is the actual live line. So I gotta be careful. Be careful when you pull these out, because once it snaps, like you saw, it's gonna snap. So we're gonna connect this, and for safety reason, guys, shut off the power. Don't work with the live power. It is not recommended. Make sure everything's turned off so you don't get electrocuted. If you are not experienced, do not do this with the live line. I am not experienced, but I like getting shocked, I guess. So make sure you're not touching anything that's live, because you will feel that tingle real quick. All right, so now this is in, and then we're gonna go, and this one, we're gonna pull out the top one. Top one is gonna go to the main of our fan. So we're gonna see which one is the fan one. So this is the fan output, this wire. So we're gonna take this black one out as well. So this just shouldn't have any power to it, because the power is going to go to this. So this one, we're going to double check if that's the fan. This is the fan wire. And then, if you don't remember, the orange line was the night light type of thing. So we're gonna see output light in LED. Night light is the orange, which is this one, which I connected it to the red, like so. So that's gonna be the night light. And the last but not least, this is going to be the actual LED light for our LED console, the LED, the actual light. Okay, and this is the ground wire, which we're going to connect to this one. All right, moment of truth. Look, we already have lights here. Let's turn on the fan. Fan comes on. Let's turn on the light. Ooh, we got light. Night light. Ooh, even has a night light. So, let's see. Night light, light, fan, fan on, light off, night light on. This was a success. And this is, the light has 3 modes. If you quickly switch between the lights, it'll give you different, so this is warm white, fluorescent, I guess this is white, super white, and this is warm white, which the one and the fan is off now. So the system is pretty accurate. It's pretty straightforward. There's not much to it. Thanks to AKICON for sending me this this fan, this bathroom fan. Actually, the fan is not that loud, to be honest with you. And this is on 50. No, it's on 80 CFM, which I might actually put on 100. Again, it's super simple to install. It's not that hard. The only thing you gotta do, you gotta have to run extra wires because of the extra connection that it has, extra setting that it has for humidity and all that stuff. Oh, let me actually show you guys the humidity control. The humidity control is actually, it's kind of hidden here. There's like a little trapdoor here, and that's how you set up the humidity. So you can set up the humidity and a timer. So currently it's at 60% humidity for 15 minutes. What happens is once the bathroom hits a 60% humidity, the fan turns on automatically. So you don't have to turn it on, and what happens is once it drops below 60%, the fan turns off, or after 15 minutes. So one or the other is basically how it works. So it's pretty cool. Right now we don't have any humidity in the bathroom, so I can't really put this to a test. But according to the instructions, this is what it's supposed to do. So you set up a percentage for humidity, and you're gonna set up the time for how long it's gonna run. And you could actually turn it off if you don't want it to run at all. So anyways, let me know what you think. It's pretty basic. It wasn't that hard. I didn't get electrocuted. I just had to open up the do the opening a little bit more for the fan, but that's about it. Nothing crazy. Super simple. Anybody can actually do it. If you're not comfortable playing with wires, turn off the circuit breaker so you don't get electrocuted. I didn't turn it off. You know, don't do what I do most of the time when it comes down to electricity. But if you're comfortable enough to work with electricity, turn off the breaker. It's pretty simple. White to white, black to black. Any other color is basically secondary or third. Other than that, you know, it's not that hard. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and safety first. Peace out.